Hello student, welcome in UGC NET preparation series. Today's topic is control statement. In last video, I explained data type, and in this video, I'm going to talk about what is control statement, how we can use this control statement in our programming, and why we use this control statement. About this what I'm going to explain here. Okay, control statement. Name itself says control statement means controlling something. Controlling something means controlling flow of execution of our programming. Okay, for this I use one program for explaining this control statement. This is one program. In this program, two variables are created. After that, two numbers are given from user, and that number are stored on that variable. After that, two numbers addition will be stored in some variable, and that some variable will be print, and after that program will be end. This is our program of addition of two number. So normally flow of any program is sequentially, means first this variable is created. After that these two variables are entered, print on the output screen. Then this line is executed. After that this line, after that this line will be printed, and a program will be end. Like this, all statement executed one by one, means flow of execution is like sequential flow. But in some condition, we don't want this sequential flow of execution. We wanted to make some decision depend on the condition. Means in some condition we wanted to skip some statement and print only that statement which are belong to that condition or related to that condition. In such condition, we we have to use control statement, then we can get our required output. Okay, for this I use one example which I recall in my mind during at morning when I making breakfast for my chotu baby. That time this example comes in my mind, and that example is like this. Recently all 10th and 12th student result were declared. Okay, and that result we see using government website. So what is scenario there? Their scenario is like this. There are some seat number. After entering that seat number, we access that particular students data about result on our screen. So we when we enter that seat number, that time data we will access. Yeah, it's not like that. On that website or software only one student's data were stored. No, there are more than 1,000 number of students data stored on that website. So how can we access only one student data? Because their control statement are used. Using that control statement, data will be fetched only related to that seat number or uh, roll number. Means when I enter data when I enter roll number or seat number, that time compiler only fetch data of that software which belong to that seat number, and before that which data or any student number of other students data, that all statement skip and fetch only that data which belong to that seat number. This is actual control statement, and this is the scenario what which I try to explain. Okay, means using this control statement, we can instruct to the computer for displaying our required statement and skip statement which are not relatable to the condition. Means display that statement which are related or belong to the condition. This is control statement. Okay, now from this control statement, one statement I explain here now, that is if statement. If statement and syntax for this if statement is like this: if condition, then statement 1, and after that statement 2. Means this if condition, after this if condition there are two statements. Now scenario is like this: if condition means that condition which we write in this bracket, if that condition become true, only and only on that situation first statement will be printed or executed. If this condition become false, then control skip this first statement and execute this second statement. This is about if statement. Okay, for this if statement, explaining this if statement, I use one program. This is one program. Here one variable is created. After that value for that variable is entered by user. Then that value is stored on that variable. Now this is main part of our program. If variable a greater than 10, printf inside block, printf outside block. So what is here? Here if keyword. Now after that, in this bracket there is one condition, that is like a greater than 10. So what say this? This say if value entered by the user is greater than 10, only then first statement will be printed, that is inside block. And if value entered by the user less than 10, then second value will be printed. Okay, now user entered a value 12. So user entered a value 12 and this value is greater than 10. Then now this condition become true. So this first statement will be executed and second will be skipped. Okay, if user entered a value like 9 is less than 10. Now this condition become false because user entered a value that is 9 which is less than 10. Now condition become false, so control skip first statement and print this second one. This is about if statement. Okay, thank you.